What if I tell you one thick, sticky oil in your home can give you glowing skin, reduce dark spots, fight acne, and even slow down signs of aging? Yes, I'm talking about castor oil. But wait, before you start applying it directly on your face, there are some important things you must know. So watch till the end this video because today I'll share powerful benefits, the correct way to use it and mistakes you should avoid. Castor oil is extract from the seeds of the castor plant. It is rich in fatty acids, especially something called uh, ricinoleic acid. This is the secret ingredient that makes castor oil so powerful for skincare. It's thick, deeply moisturizing, and full of nutrients that your skin loves. Now let's talk about the benefits. If you have dry, rough, or flaky skin, castor oil can be a game changer. Because of its thick texture, it looks moisture into your skin. It creates a protective layer that prevents water loss. If you apply a small amount before sleeping, you may wake up with soft and smooth skin. But remember, only a small amount, too much can make your skin feel very heavy. And it also fights acne. Yes, you heard that right. Even even though castor oil is thick, it has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. That means it helps fight acne causing bacteria and reduces redness and swelling. If you have painful pimples, applying a tiny amount on the affected area can help calm the skin. But if your skin is very oily or sensitive, always do a patch test first. And I always say that take a patch test of everything. Castor oil reduces dark spots. Struggling with dark spots or uneven skin tone? Castor oil may help. Its fatty acids support skin repair and promote healthy cell growth. With regular use, it can slowly improve the appearance of dark spots and dull skin. But don't expect magic overnight. Natural remedies need patience and consistency. This oil is also an anti-aging oil. We can say that. Here is something interesting for you. Castor oil helps boost collagen production. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful. When collagen decreases, wrinkles and fine lines appear. Using castor oil regularly may help reduce the appearance of fine lines and keep your skin looking fresh and plump. If your skin feels irritated, itchy, or slightly inflamed, castor oil's anti inflammatory properties can help soothe it. It can calm dry patches and support skin healing. Again, patch test is very important before full use. Now, the most important part, how to use it safely. Yes, because castor oil is very thick, never apply too much. So, you have to be very careful. You have to mix a few drops of castor oil with a lighter oil like coconut oil or almond oil. This makes it easier to spread and reduces heaviness. Here I'm using quarter teaspoon castor oil and I will take 1 teaspoon coconut oil. I am making a small amount, you can double it. Mix it well and you can store it in a bottle. This remedy is ready for your glowing skin and you can store it in any bottle. Second remedy I am going to make with aloe vera gel and castor oil. Here is the small amount. Like I am taking quarter teaspoon of castor oil and quarter teaspoon of aloe vera gel. You can take fresh aloe vera gel from the leaf. I am taking this one. This is the good combination like aloe vera gel and castor oil for glowing skin. For dark spots, apply a small amount only on the affected area daily. Do this 3-4 times a week, not necessarily every day. And now listen very carefully. Always do a patch test on your wrist before applying on your face. Don't use too much, it can clog pores if overused. Method is very simple, 2 to 3 drops directly on clean skin at night. Massage gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Leave it overnight and wash your face in the morning. If irritation happens, stop immediately. Pregnant women or people with skin conditions should consult a doctor before using regularly. Natural doesn't always mean 100% safe for everyone. So, yes, castor oil can be a powerful and affordable addition to your skin care routine if used correctly and in moderation. Consistency is key. Don't expect instant miracles, but with patience, you may notice a soother, healthier looking skin. If you found this video helpful, like this video, share it with someone who loves natural skincare, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and powerful health tips. See you in the next video.